Welcome to our channel. If you've been notified of a tax audit, follow these step-by-step instructions to prepare effectively and handle the process with confidence. Step 1. Don't panic. Most audits are correspondence audits conducted by mail for specific issues, not criminal investigations. Read the audit notice carefully to understand what's being examined. Step 2. Determine the type of audit. Correspondence audits request documentation by mail, office audits occur at an IRS office, and field audits happen at your home or business. Step 3. Gather all requested documentation including receipts, bank statements, invoices, contracts, and any other records supporting the items being questioned. Step 4. Organize your documentation logically and make copies. Never send original documents to the IRS. Always send copies and keep originals. Step 5. Consider hiring professional representation. Enrolled agents, CPAS, or tax attorneys can represent you before the IRS and often handle audits better than taxpayers themselves. Step 6. Respond to all IRS requests promptly and completely. Request extensions if you need more time to gather documentation. Step 7. During the audit, provide only what's requested. Answer questions truthfully but succinctly without volunteering additional information. Step 8. Review the audit results carefully. You have the right to appeal if you disagree with findings. Understand your options, including payment plans if additional taxes are owed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.